Sweating. It's a natural bodily function that keeps us cool, helps us detox, helps regulate our temperature, and lets the world know that we just crushed it at the gym. But let's face it, no one wants to be known as the stinky kid in class.
You stink.
That's where deodorants come in, right? Well, not exactly. While conventional deodorants may make us smell like a bouquet of flowers, could they actually be seriously affecting our health in ways we never imagined? Let's roll up our sleeves and dive into the world of sweat, body odor, the hazards of using traditional deodorants, and some of the best healthy alternatives. Sweating is a natural and necessarily bodily function that helps regulate body temperature and eliminate toxins. However, many people use antiperspirants to suppress sweating, not realizing the negative effects these have. Let's start by looking at where we apply our deodorant. Under our arms, right? Armpits have a higher density of sweat glands than any other areas of the body. And this is also an area where we'll find a network of vessels that help to filter out toxins and waste from the body, also known as the lymphatic system. One of the main areas of the lymphatic system is located under the armpits, where it helps to filter out toxins and waste products from the body. So what's the problem with antiperspirants? Antiperspirants work by blocking the sweat ducts in the armpits with aluminium-based compounds, which can interfere with the body's natural detoxification process. In addition, suppressing sweat can lead up to the buildup of bacteria and odors, as well as skin irritation and rashes.
No, don't like that.
Now, you may think that you're just covering up a funky odor, but you're actually blocking the body's way to detox. If you're finding yourself excessively sweating, rather than suppressing the sweat, it's important to identify the root cause and address it through proper diet and lifestyle changes. Excessive sweating can be caused by a number of underlying health issues, such as thyroid problems, menopause or hormonal imbalances, or anxiety. Excessive sweating under the arms could be a sign of liver weakness or the circulation system overreacting. By embracing our body's natural functions and taking a holistic approach to health, we can maintain healthy and balanced sweating and avoid the negative consequences of antiperspirant use. Now, this may come as a surprise, but our sweat is actually odorless. So what actually causes body odor? Body odor is actually caused by the bacteria that naturally live on our skin. When we sweat, these bacteria break down the sweat and produce a distinctive smell.
Oh, that would be me. I've been swimming in raw sewage.
This is because whilst our sweat itself is odorless, the breakdown of the sweat by the bacteria leads to the creation of volatile organic compounds that give off a scent. And the type of bacteria that live on our skin and the type of sweat that we produce can be influenced by factors such as diet, stress, and hormones. For example, foods such as garlic and onions can cause a more pungent odor, while hormonal changes during puberty or menopause can cause an increase in sweating and a change in the type of bacteria that live on the skin. Additionally, certain medical conditions such as diabetes or kidney disease can also affect body odor. Now, while body odor can be unpleasant, it is a natural process that serves a purpose in regulating body temperature and eliminating toxins. By practicing good hygiene, including regular showering and wearing clean clothes, we can minimize the effects of body odor and maintain good health. Let's look at some common deodorant ingredients. Conventional deodorants contain a variety of chemicals that can be harmful to the body, including aluminium salts. Aluminium is the active ingredient in antiperspirants, and it works by blocking the sweat glands to reduce perspiration. Now this, as we've discussed, can be harmful to the lymphatic system as it's not able to filter toxins and waste products from the body as effectively. Aluminium is also known to be capable of causing DNA alterations. There have also been studies showing a link between the location of breast cancer on the area of the breast closest to where deodorants are applied. Another dangerous chemical found in conventional deodorants is parabens. These are used as a preservative to extend the shelf life of deodorants. Parabens have been found to lead to hormonal imbalances, early puberty, and increased risk of breast cancer. They also have been shown to impair the hormones crucial for male sexual and reproductive function. They inhibit the way our cells make energy and further impair detoxification. In addition to these chemicals, conventional deodorants also contain other harmful ingredients such as synthetic fragrances, phytolates, and triclosan. These ingredients can cause skin irritation, allergies, and other health problems such as hormonal disruption, interference with muscle function, and antibacterial resistance. Phytolates are also considered to be a carcinogen. Yikes! So, How do we handle body odor naturally? The good news is that you don't have to walk around like a stinky mess. There are plenty of natural alternatives to choose from. Probiotic deodorants, for example, contain live cultures of beneficial bacteria and can help to control body odor by supporting a healthy balance of microorganisms on the skin while also avoiding the use of harsh chemicals found in traditional deodorants. But really, you don't have to look any further than your own kitchen cupboard for healthy deodorant alternatives. One of the most popular natural alternatives is baking soda. Baking soda is an alkaline substance that can help neutralize the acids produced by the bacteria. It is also effective in keeping underarms dry. Another popular one is coconut oil. Coconut oil helps modulate fungi and harmful bacteria and keep underarms fresh and clean. It is also a good moisturizer for the skin. You can combine these two ingredients to make a simple but effective deodorant to swipe under your arms. One of the most effective natural deodorants I have encountered is lemon juice. Now, lemon juice is full of citric acid, which naturally gets rid of odor-causing bacteria. Simply take a slice of lemon and rub it on your underarms. Alternatively, you can dilute the lemon juice with water and apply it with a cotton ball or a spray bottle. Not only does lemon juice help reduce body odor, but it can also help brighten and exfoliate the skin. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now, if you do want a ready-made deodorant, always read the ingredient list and do your research before making a purchase. This is a key point we teach in many of our courses, the importance of learning how to read a label and interpreting the information. To find out more about our courses, visit our website, link in the description below. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to keep up to date with our future content. If you're looking at natural ways to detox, check out our other video coming up next. Until next time.